heavenly ballet. A flock of birds flying in the shape of lively, magical clouds in the Italian sky captivated the audience. Huge hailstones fell in the south of Chile. This phenomenon has astonished the residents of the city of Loncoche in the Araucanía region, where, in addition to lightning strikes, unusual precipitation in the form of huge hailstones was also recorded. According to local residents on social networks, these icy stones reached up to 5 centimeters in diameter, with some being the size of table tennis balls. New Zealand is battling forest fires. The New Zealand Fire and Emergency Service announced that firefighters have resumed efforts to combat a forest fire that is out of control in the central part of the North Islands National Park. It is estimated that the fire has now covered an area of over 1,000 hectares. 15 helicopters and 5 airplanes have been deployed for the firefighting efforts. Dozens injured after 2 trains collide in Slovakia. 2 passenger trains collided 20 kilometers from the capital, Bratislava. Local media report that approximately 30 people were injured. Car explosion near the Red Fort metro station in the Indian capital, Delhi, killed at least 8 people and injured 24 others. During Zelensky's interview with The Guardian at the Mariinsky Palace, the lights went out twice.
Hard times.